Hi there and welcome to this quick guide of the Chauvet Swarm 5FX with James from BH Sound and Lighting. The Chauvet Swarm is a 3-in-1 disco light with a colourful derby, ring of strobes and a laser cluster. Once you have set up the fixture, use the safety bond as a second point of contact if you're rigging above head height. Use the IEC cable provided to power the fixture and the IEC Link cables to power following fixtures using the power out connection. The fixture has 3-pin DMX connections so you can link multiple lights together or use with a controller. If you're using DMX cables without a controller, set one fixture as the master and the following fixtures as slaves. There is a digital display that will control the various settings for the light. There is a sound activated mode and an auto preset mode. Each of these modes have the ability to control each element of the fixture or a combination of all three. Within the sound and auto mode, remember to select which effects you would like to use. On auto, remember to also select the speed. Do this by switching between up and down and pressing enter for the desired effect. Once there is music playing at the right level, the light will kick into action. To activate the laser, remember to use the key lock to turn it on. Thanks for watching this quick guide. Please like the video if it has helped, comment below if we can help with anything else, and subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Thanks and goodbye.